So, tell me what you did.
I have a haircut.
You have a haircut.Id you do it yourself?
Yeah.
Show me how you did it.
There's a scissor near the mirror.
So we have the mirror, the scissors, and a lot of hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did. I think I do it.
Well, let's not take off anymore. I think it's perfect the way it is.
I think I have to do that.
No, I think you're done. Okay, that's enough, buddy. You know what? It looks pretty good. We'll see what Mama says when she gets home. If she likes it too. Do you think she's going to like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure,
Okay.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
That's very impressive.
Hey, I can scoop this all out at
Okay.
once.